welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I've got 3 holiday Christmas DIY fashions to share with you. I'm going to show you how you can make this adorable trucker hat, a little shopping tote, and this really cute jean jacket makeover. This was a thrift shop jean jacket. For all these makeovers, I'm using Fabric Mod Podge and this really cool gingerbread fabric. All right, let's get started. First up, I'm going to do the trucker hat with Fabric Mod Podge. I'm just cutting out the design and then I'm detail cutting it. I'm going to do 3 gingerbread houses across the front. Make sure you use the fabric formula of Mod Podge, apply it to the back, and then just place your piece of fabric right onto the hat. You can pick up these hats for just a couple of bucks at the craft store. And if you want to do this in bulk or maybe for a party, you can order a whole bunch of them online. I've seen them by the dozen. So go ahead and add your applique, just press that down, put it right onto the front of the hat, and then smooth with your fingers, really making sure those edges are down. I'm going to do 3 across the front. I did the 2 little greenhouses on the side, and then I'm going to center it with our little brown house in the center. You can see how you can overlap fabric here. Now we're going to top coat the whole thing with more Fabric Mod Podge, and that will seal this down. So Fabric Mod Podge, you can use it to glue it and to seal it. So top coat the whole thing with the Fabric Mod Podge, and then once it's dry, I'm going to add some sparkle by using the Mod Podge sparkle formula. This has glitter mixed into it. It's an Aurora Borealis glitter, so it's just going to make that snow glisten and be so cute when it's dry. Now I want to add some gems. I'm just adding a little bit of my Mod Podge there and sinking some gems in. And I found these ornaments at the craft store. I thought they were just so cute. So I want to add some deco to this hat. I'm going to hot glue that. And then just some fun bows, snowflakes, and some little sticker embellishments that are holly rhinestones. I'm using my hot glue gun finger cap there to prevent my fingers from burning. So just go ahead and glue our pieces down using hot glue. This turns out so cute. I love this for the holidays. All right, coming up next, let's do the jean jacket. Same fabric formula, cutting out that fabric piece. I'm gonna do 2 on the fronts, and again, using the fabric formula. This is washable, but I do hand wash in cold. Go ahead and add it to the back of your fabric, place your fabric down. I'm gonna do the 2 front lapels there. And got a little bit of time to wiggle it in position. Press really good on those edges, and I'm going to seal the same way I did on the hat, just using the Fabric Mod Podge on top of that, painting that on. It's a good idea to use a detail paintbrush here. Now for the back, for the yoke on the back, I want to make a pattern, so I'm just taping some wax paper down. If you had some old scrap fabric, you could use scrap fabric too. And then I'm going to use my nail or a pencil to make a mark on the wax paper where the different seams are. Then I'll cut that out of the wax paper and cut that out of my fabric. This is a little bit tricky, so you may want to do this twice. If you mess up the first time, just see where your error was and go ahead and cut out a new pattern. Then you're adding the Fabric Mod Podge to the back. I'm only doing the center section first. So I'm going to pick that up, place it right onto the center section, use my hands to press that down and to smooth it. This is very forgiving, so if you get a little bit of a wrinkle, just pick it up and you can smooth it back into position. So I only did the center section there. Now I'm going to put some wax paper under this, add more of the Fabric Mod Podge, and then fold that back down. Now, if you can, you could try to do the Fabric Mod Podge all on it at once, but it is a little bit tricky. Now that that piece is down and drying, I'm going to do an iron-on to the back. You might be wondering why I'm doing iron-on and not using the Mod Podge fabric. The iron-ons usually have a plastic backing, so they don't work well with the Fabric Mod Podge. But I love this patch. I thought it would just be so cute to complete the design. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some Fabric Mod Podge to trim, and I'm going to glue that down. I did seal down the jacket fabric just like I did on the front pockets. Look how adorable. Okay, we're going to do a quick little tote bag too. Same thing, I cut out the little gingerbread house, added the Fabric Mod Podge, and I'm going to glue that to the tote bag. Super easy. Then top coat with more of our Fabric Mod Podge. And once that's dry, I'm gonna go in and add some of that Sparkle Mod Podge just to make the snow sparkle and glisten. I did add a bunch of gems as well, just to complete the look. And then I used some more of those ornaments that ornament set that I got, I think it came with 6 of them. So for this bag, I'm gonna put 3 of them on the bag, and I'm hot gluing those on. So I'm just gonna add some hot glue, and then I'm just going to layer all of those up, and I'm adding some more of those pink velvet bows, the snowflakes, and the holly berry rhinestones. Just keep adding your things. You could really deco this out as much as you want. So cute. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm not sure which one of these projects is my favorite. I think they all look so cute together. Now, I did these holiday designs, but you can do this same technique with any fabric that you love. So think of this for spring and summer or for winter. I'll be back next week with another fun project to share with you, and until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.